Hey guys, welcome again to Honey's Kitchen. I would like to thank everyone for always watching on my videos. Thank you for your love and support. For those who are new on my channel, welcome. A recipe for today is soft and chewy chocolate crinkle. If you would like to know how to create this, keep on watching. For this recipe, we need 1 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 eggs, 7 tablespoons of corn oil or canola oil, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of melted chocolate, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We also need granulated sugar and confectioner sugar or icing sugar or powdered sugar. Okay, so let's get started. So this is a very easy recipe. You don't need a mixer for this. All you need is a wire whisk, or you need a spatula or a wooden ladle. And then you're just gonna mix it according to how I enumerate the ingredients. So we're gonna put first the sugar into your bowl, and then you're gonna put your egg, your cooking oil, no, I'm sorry, your canola oil, and then your cocoa powder, and your melted chocolate. So all you're gonna do is to mix everything until all the ingredients are well incorporated with each other. After that, you add in your flour, your salt, your baking soda, and your baking powder. And then again, we're gonna mix it all, that all the ingredients are well incorporated with each other. That's simple and easy, right? So after that, I have here my baking dish, and I lined it up with parchment paper, and then we're gonna pull out our powdered sugar and our granulated sugar. And then we're gonna start to form our chocolate crinkles. So it's important you're gonna wash your hands. I wash my hands properly, and then we're gonna make a circle. So I grab my ice cream scoop to help me a little bit so it's easy. So you grab and then you make a little circle, and then you're gonna put it first to your granulated sugar. You roll it to your granulated sugar before you gonna roll it to your icing sugar. You might wonder why I use two kinds of sugar. Normally, if you see some recipe, they only use a granulated, an icing sugar, because when you put it directly to your icing sugar, it will fall apart. The icing sugar will not hold into your crinkle. So the importance of the granulated sugar is once it is cooking, the sugar will gonna make into a caramel and melt it and bind together your icing sugar and your chocolate crinkle. So we're gonna keep doing this until all of this will gonna finished. Okay, so there you go. I was able to make 13 crinkles, but normally you can only make 12. I think I make it a little bit smaller this time. And I made 2 trays, so it doesn't matter which rack are you putting it. It's still gonna cook at the same time. So we're gonna cook it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 minutes, and then I'm going to check it. If it's still a little bit soft on top, then we're gonna add a little extra of 3 minutes. So I just pulled it out from the oven. I set it for 7 minutes, but I ended up adding 2 more minutes because it's a little bit soft, and then we're gonna let it cool down before you're gonna serve it, or you're gonna put it in an airtight container. So this is the finished product of our recipe today, the chocolate crinkle. If you didn't catch up all the list of ingredients, I will write it down in the description below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and push the notification bell so you will be updated when I will upload another amazing recipe. Please take care, everyone. Stay safe. Have a good day, and I will see you again on my next video.